Your sliding glass patio door may not be opening this easy. In fact, it may be opening terribly, dragging, catching on one side. And you may already know that at the bottom, on both sides of this patio door, there are wheels that this runs on, and there are adjustments in here. Well, there's a mechanism. Once you have popped the door up and out, there's a mechanism that adjusts that wheel up and down. And that mechanism may be as terrible as this one. Rusted, it's worn channels, it's not adjustable. And so you may find it necessary to change that mechanism. And you can buy a new mechanism. However, you should also know that at least on my patio door, the pane of glass, the other patio pane that fits in here and does not slide, which is this patio pane, has the same exact hardware that never slides. And because of that, it's not rusted or wrecked. And in this case, this hardware is actually part of what holds the framework together through a screw hole inside. So this frame has to come apart. But the wheel at the bottom of this frame, this pane in both sides, sits on this track but never runs. It never moves because this is the stationary piece. However, there is hidden hardware at the bottom of this door. And although I did just go buy one set of hardware, as I was about to curse myself for not buying two sets of hardware, I found that indeed this immobile fixed patio pane held two pieces of the same hardware that had never been rolled on. And as such, I was able to create this beautifully sliding door, and I would not have had to buy any hardware. I could have stolen the hardware from this fixed side and put the old immobile or even terribly ruined hardware back, because all it has to do is sit there.